look at some free response questions from I don't know when. 2013, let's see whether it was parametric or polar. Look at this. Bam. Right? Let's just talk about this one for a little bit. So 2013, it was a polar one. But then they give other information that, whatever, but let's just look at this, right? So look at how nice they are. So the graphs, so we have a circle, and then we have this other thing. It's a cardioid. And we have that the graphs are r equals 3 and r equals 4 minus 2 sine theta. But they intersect when theta is equal to pi over 6. So they're giving us that this right here is pi over 6. And this over here is 5 pi over 6. That's the information that they give us. They say, let S be the shaded region that is inside the graph of r equals 3 and also inside the graph of the other guy. Find that. Well, what I would do is this. Or do you want to think about it for a little bit? I'm going to give it to you because the bell's going to ring. What I would do is this. I would start at 5 pi over 6 and I would go out to the circle until I got to this theta value, which is what? No. If I started at 5 pi over 6, what am I going to end at? 13 pi over 6. You dig? Because that's coterminal, but you have to go from a smaller angle to a larger angle, right? Lower limit to upper limit. Because I'm starting at 5 pi over 6, I'm going to sweep around until the coterminal die of pi over 6, which is 13 pi over 6. So I would first do that, and then I would add the integral from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6 of that guy, which I forgot the 1/2. So really it would be 1/2 times the integral from 5 pi over 6 to 13 pi over 6 of 3 squared d theta plus 1/2 times the integral from pi over 6 to 5 pi over 6 of quantity 4 minus 2 sine theta squared d theta. Nailed it.